Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to edit post title on Reddit. First go to your profile picture and view profile. In order to see your post, click on posts and then choose a post that you want to edit. Then simply copy all of this content like so. So select it, press the right button on the mouse and press copy. Then go right here to these three dots and click on delete. Then click on yes, delete. Now simply go to create and paste, right click and paste all of your text right here. And then select the text from the title and right click, cut, and then right click right here and paste. Now you can, like so, you can format it like you want and then post it again. It is really simple to edit it. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.